Hi, my name is Jack Bourne, co-creator of Survey Funnel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can update or upgrade Survey Funnel to the next version when it's time, and also how to know when it's time to do that. So right now I'm in the dashboard for Survey Funnel, and in the most recent versions we've added some code that will tell you that there's a new version of Survey Funnel available. And if you click the link, it's going to take you to the updates page. So there's two ways to get to this page. Either click the link above the dashboard if it's there, or just click on the updates link in the left navigation. So either one will take you to a page where you'll see a message at the very top, and it will either say your current version of Survey Funnel is up to date, or there's a new version available. And then below that we've got a changelog. This is information we give you. It's pulled from our website, and it lets you know what's available and what we've done. So it gives us the ability to add in extra details. That way you're going to know, is it time for me to update my plugin? So when it's time for you to update your plugin, when you decide you want to, you simply follow the instructions. Now, I'm going to show you what some folks have done and why it doesn't work. But first I want to show you that the instructions here just tell you want to log into your members area. Next, you want to grab the latest zip file. You want to download it to your computer. Once it's on your computer, you want to unzip it. Usually you do that by double clicking. And then you want to connect with FTP software, and then you want to overwrite the files, and I'll show you how to do that in just a bit. But first, let me go ahead and show you what you don't want to do. What you don't want to do is you don't want to go to the plugins and then upload as if you're going to upload a new zip file. So let me just show you what that would look like. If I'm currently at 170 and I want to upgrade to 171, what some folks have done is that they've tried to upload the zip file, and then once I add in my FTP password, if that's required, then you're going to get an error message that says the destination folder already exists. Plugin install failed. Now this doesn't hurt your WordPress install, but it doesn't update the Survey Funnel plugin. So let me show you what you should do. What you should do is you should go ahead and download the zip file. And once you do that, you unzip it. And when you unzip the files, one second here, let me get back. So in this example, I downloaded 171 and I unzipped it. And so I have a folder that looks something like this. And so if I just open this up, this shows me all of the files inside of the plugin. So I go to my FTP software. Yours may look slightly different, but what I do is I go to the WP content directory or folder inside of my WordPress install. So I connect to my website, to my server. And so I go to the WP content directory. Under that is plugins, and under that should be Survey Funnel. So once I know that I'm looking at these files, what I want to do is I want to click, drag, and then drop. It's going to ask me, do I want to overwrite them or do I want to replace them? And the answer is yes, yes to all of them. So what's going to happen is these new files are going to start uploading. I might get another message or two just to make sure that I do in fact want to overwrite these files. So it's going to take a little while for these files to upload, so I'll go ahead and pause the video, and when I come back I'll show you that the plugin has been updated. Alright, so I was just told that my files have all been uploaded, so let me go back to my WordPress install, and I'm just going to go to the Survey Funnel dashboard, and you'll notice that the yellow bar is no longer there. If I go to the update section, it says my install of Survey Funnel is up to date. I'm currently running version 1.71. And so that's just it. It's as simple as it gets. Now, we did have some folks, it's very, very rare, but sometimes someone will say, hey, I don't have access to FTP. What you want to do in that situation is you want to go into your web host panel. Now, your web host panel may look slightly different, but this is cPanel. This is a very popular type of control panel for a lot of web hosts. So if you're using this, you want to use something called File Manager. And then under File Manager, you can do something very, very similar. So what you can do is you can go under Public HTML and go to your WordPress directory, go under WP Content, go under Plugins, and so now we're looking at Survey Funnel. So in this scenario, what you would do is you would actually go ahead and delete just these files. So you click on the delete button, it would delete that entire directory, and then what you would do is you would go and just re-upload the files again. So just delete it, re-upload it, and you should be rocking and rolling. So I'll show you how that's done. So we go ahead and delete this, and that's gone. And so what we do is I come back to the WordPress install. I'm going to go to Plugins, Add New, upload. And in this scenario, since I deleted it, I would in fact upload the 171 zip. And if that worked, then I should go to the dashboard, no yellow bar, and if I go to the update section, you'll see that it says that my install is up to date. So I wanted to give you lots of different ways to be able to update Survey Funnel and show that to you, and also show you the way that you don't want to do that. So thanks again for using Survey Funnel.